Are you preparing for the digital SAT and confused about the math section? Here is a quick complete guide to help you understand SAT math clearly. SAT math has 44 questions and 70 minutes. It is divided into two modules, and both modules test your math skills under time pressure. Your performance in the first module affects the difficulty level of the second module. That is why accuracy from the beginning is very important.
SAT Math mainly covers four areas: Algebra, Advanced Math, Problem Solving and Data Analysis.
The most important topics are Algebra and Advanced Math, because they carry the highest weight in the SAT Math section.
Algebra includes linear equations, inequalities, systems of equations, word problems, and graphs of linear relationships.
Show quadratic curves, function notation, polynomials, radicals, and nonlinear equation visuals.
Problem solving and data analysis includes percentages, ratios, units, rates, tables, graphs, probability, and statistics. Geometry and trigonometry includes triangles, circles, area, volume, coordinate geometry, and trigonometry. Many students think SAT math is easy because it is based on school-level concepts. But SAT math is different. In the digital SAT, students can use the Desmos calculator. But using Desmos without strategy can waste time. You should know when to solve manually and when to use the calculator. The best way to prepare is simple. Start with a diagnostic test, master algebra first, then advanced math, solve timed questions, take mock tests, and analyze every mistake. Remember, SAT math is not just about formulas. It is about applying concepts correctly under time pressure. At TestPrepKart, we help students prepare with topic-wise practice, mock tests, Desmos training, and personalized SAT math study plans. Download the SAT Math Question Bank and ebook to start practicing important SAT math questions. And schedule a free trial session with TestPrepKart today.